Hello folks, so in this video I'm going to cover how this Docker works. So in a typical workflow, a developer develops this application and defines its corresponding libraries and dependencies in a particular file called Docker file. And it is like a recipe that contains all the ingredients and steps necessary in making a particular dish. So this particular file can be used to create a Docker image which will contain an application, libraries, dependencies, requirements, file, in fact requirement.txt, which we call it. Now when we execute or run this Docker image, we get a Docker container, which is nothing but a runtime instance of Docker image. You can find these kind of several other Docker images for your particular needs on an online repository called Docker Hub. Okay, so that's a particular website on cloud, and the link for the Docker Hub is https://hub.docker.com, and it is also given below here as well. So to access various publicly available Docker images, we use this Docker Hub website, okay, or repository or registry. You can also store your unique Docker images over there as well as on your local repository. So you can build your own images containing several dependencies, libraries, and entire application. So you can package it using a Docker image, and then you can make it available on the Docker Hub, or you can keep it in your local repository as well. Now the next point is you can pull these Docker images from Docker Hub in any environment or platform. That means you can create these Docker containers either in your development or testing environment. Okay, so basically when pulling from Docker repositories, you can pull it in any environment, staging, development, or testing. Okay, so anybody can access these containers in any environment, and we can be sure that our application is running on in any environment without any issues. Okay, because the same image can be pulled into development environment or test environment, and it will contain all the same necessary package and dependencies for that application. So guys, this is it for this video. I will cover the next topic in the upcoming video. So thanks for watching. uh, Keep watching for next upcoming videos.